Wow, I just love watching Drake and Fiona's air shows.
Yeah, they're so amazing.
Oh yeah, you said it.
Oh yes.
Yeah, just look at them go!
Whoosh! Yeah! All right, Fiona, now I'm going to do my spinny spin wing spin. Yeah!
Okay, but be careful, Drake.
I will, Fiona. Don't worry. You can count on me. Here we go. Yow. Wait.
Ooh!
Whoa!
Oh.
Ha ha! Yeah! Oh.
Wow, that was amazing, Drake.
Oh man, I feel so dizzy. Oh boy. The sun! I can't see! Oh!
I don't think that's supposed to be part of the air show.
Drake, watch out. You're heading for the windmill.
Oh, whoa, what? I can't hear you. What'd you say?
Watch out for the windmill, Drake. Yeah, you're heading straight for it.
Oh, we can't hear us. What? What did you say?
Whoa! Drake's going for a spin. Not funny, Dipsy.
Well, there goes Drake.
Oh, Bibbly cheese. Oh no! That did not sound like a good landing at all. Come on! Oh dear!
Whoa! That was a crash landing.
Oh no!
Oh, my flying fairy crumbs.
Oh, Drake! Are you alright?
Drake, are you alright?
I feel... Ow! Oh! My wing! Ow! My wing hurts! Oh!
Oh dear, you must have sprained it when you fell through the tree.
Yeah, I think so. Ow!
Oh!
Oh no!
We've got to get you to Dr. Duckster quickly.
Yeah, let's go!
Yeah, that's a good idea. I'm just going to fly. Ow! Oh!
Drake, you can't fly when your wing is sprained.
You're right. I'm just gonna have to walk it.
I hope Drake's going to be alright. Yeah, I hope so too, Poe.
Alright, that should do it. There you go, Drake. All bandaged up.
Thank you, Duckster. I can't believe I sprained my wing.
Yeah, you sprained it good, Drake.
I really gotta watch where I'm going next time.
I am really sorry about your wing, Drake.
Yeah. Well, anyways, I may as well go fly back home.
Well, actually, you can't fly until your wing's all better.
Oh, well, how long will it take for it to heal?
About a few days.
A few days? But I have to get back home, and I usually fly back home. How am I supposed to get up to the clouds now if I can't fly? Oh.
Aw, poor Drake. Yeah, that is quite a problem, alright.
Well, Drake, maybe you can climb up the magic beanstalk that we have in our backyard.
Well, you see, I'm not very good at climbing. I've never climbed before in my life, so I'm not that good at climbing, so that won't really work. I need to get back home, but I can't fly with my wing sprained. Oh, if only my wing would heal faster, so I could get back home. Hey, Duckster, do you know any way to get my wing healed faster?
Well, I don't really know how to do that, Drake. Sorry, you just have to wait.
Oh.
Hey, wait, I think I know how to make Drake's injury heal faster.
Wait, really?
How?
We just need some special healing potion, and my mother is very good at magic, especially when it comes to potions.
Oh yeah! Your mom is really good at magic!
Hey, that's a good idea. Yeah, let's go to Fiona's house to get the potion that we need to cure Drake's wing sprain.
Yeah!
I will need some helpers to join me.
All right.
Paul and I will stay here to keep Drake company.
Yeah, let's entertain him.
Yeah, that's what we'll do.
Alright then, so me, Lala, and Fiona will go to Fiona's house and get the potion.
Yeah, let's go.
Follow me, Tiki Winky and Lala.
All right, Fiona, we're following you.
Yep.
Don't worry, Drake. They're going to get the magic potion to cure your wing sprain.
Yeah, everything will be all right.
Yeah, just stay here and rest, Drake. Everything will be alright.
Okay. You know, I'm kind of hungry. Do you think you can make me something to eat?
Oh, sure. What would you like?
Can I have charcoal?
What, charcoal? That's not food.
But it helps my fire.
I get it because you're a fire-breathing dragon.
Yeah, exactly.
Alright, I'll give you some charcoal.
Oh, thanks.
Ah, here we are.
Yep.
Hello, Fiona, and hello to you too, Tiki Winky and Lala.
Oh, Mommy, am I glad to see you? We have a big problem.
Yeah, you see, Drake had a bit of an accident while performing his air show, and he fell and sprained his wing.
Oh dear, is he all right?
Yeah, he's alright, but he can't fly home with a sprained wing.
Yeah, so we need some healing potion to cure Drake's injury.
I think I might be able to help. Come on, you three, to the magic spells and fairy potions room.
Hey, we never seen that room before.
Yeah, what's it like?
Oh, it's amazing. Come and see.
Okay, let's go then.
Alright. Whoa!
Ooh, look at this room.
Look at all the potions!
It's amazing.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it sure is, Fiona.
All right, in order to make this healing potion, we are going to need 3 types of potions.
Oh, okay, so what 3 potions do we need then?
First, we need a red potion.
Red! Let's see, red. Where's a red potion? Oh, over here! Here we are!
Thank you, Tiki Winky. Next, we are going to add some blue potion.
Blue. Okay, I'll go get it. Let's see. Aha! Here's a blue potion.
Thank you, Lala. And finally, we have to add in the purple potion.
Purple.
Purple? That's my favorite color! I can definitely find that one! And it's right over here! Yeah! Purple potion!
Okay, so now what?
Now all we need is the magic potion spell.
Oh!
That's where I come in. Potion, abracadation.
Oh, I think we'll just stand back.
Oh! Oh?
Wait, that's it?
Oh! You know, for a second there, I thought it was going to explode with a cloud of smoke. Just like that.
There we are, special healing potion for Drake's sprained wing.
All right.
Great!
Oh, thank you, Mom. You're the best.
Oh, it's no problem, sweetheart.
Wait a minute. How are we supposed to carry all that back down to Duxter's workshop?
Oh, not to worry, Lala. I have my magic bag. I could just scoop some up.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. All right. And there we go. I got the potion in my magic bag.
Wow, how is that even possible?
My bag is magic, Lala.
Oh yeah, of course.
So let's go back down to the workshop.
Yeah, thank you, Mrs. Sprightly.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks again for the potion, Mom.
You're welcome, and good luck helping Drake.
All right, to Duxter's workshop.
Yeah.
Yay, Dipsy!
Yeah, great show!
I gotta say, Dipsy, you're a really good dancer with your hat.
Ah, thank you very much.
Uh-oh, we're back!
And we have the magic potion.
Really? Where is it?
In my magic bag.
Wait, it can carry that?
It can carry anything, Dipsy, because it's a magic bag.
Oh.
Alright, now all we have to do is pour the potion on Drake's wing.
Yeah, I'll put it on his wing.
I really hope this works.
Only one way to find out, Drake. Here you go.
Ah, thank you.
You're welcome, Drake. All right, let's see what happens.
All right. Hey, my wing feels all better.
Yay! Drake is all better!
Wow, I did not know that the bandage would disappear like that. That's really something.
Oh, yes. Hey, look at this. I can fly. I can fly.
Wow, that stuff really worked.
Oh, yeah. Drake is all better.
Yeah, I'm so glad.
Yeah! Thanks, Fiona, for helping.
You're welcome. I would do anything to help my friends out.
Ha 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 ha! Man, it feels so good to fly again. Next time, I gotta be really careful to where I'm going.
Yeah, that's probably best, Drake.
Yeah, I don't want to have another accident like last time today.
Yep.
But I'm glad that I'm better again.
And we're happy for you, Drake.
Yeah!
We sure are.
Yeah!
That's right, because we all love you very much, Drake.
Aw, I love all you guys too! Yeah!
Uh-oh! Let's go! Bye-bye, Dexter!
All right. See y'all later.
Thanks again, Dexter!
You're welcome, Drake.